My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I worked at IRS for God, 10 long years, and I've been in private practice for 41. I have a whole team of former IRS agents, and we specialize in IRS tax resolution. Just want to, when I was at IRS, I was a revenue officer, and I taught the offer and compromise program. That's the debt settlement program. That's my dog, Sammy. She likes to go outside. Every time I'm on this thing, she walks by. She likes to make a video appearance. It's unbelievable. She hears my voice on this thing and she goes crazy. Anyway, let me tell you about the offer and some secrets or things you need to know about that people don't know. So, when you're looking over an offer and compromise, like I have thousands of them, thousands of cases I've worked. I don't know how many offers I looked at. IRS looks at the whole body of the offer. They do not just look at the numbers. They just do not look at the assets, and they just do not look at the income and expense analysis. That's kind of a misnomer that's out there. 95% of the people that you see on YouTube have no idea about this. Unless you've worked for IRS, you really don't know. That's why it's important, if you got an IRS problem, find someone who's worked at the IRS. So I was the IRS, so that's why I'm telling you this. So when I look at the offer and compromise, one of the people, as soon as I get the case in, the first thing I was look at was with the age. Age is really important because there's a 10-year statute of limitations. So the person's in 55, 60, are they going to be able to make more money to pay the debt? Probably not. But if they're younger, they probably got a lot better shot. I look at their college degrees, whether they went to college. More educated person going to be able to know more. I look at their past tax returns to see in the last 6 years, were they up, down? Did this is just a low period that they're in? So I want you to know that these are some of the things that people really do not see. If they're self-employed, everyone's trying to trick IRS. So when we get these offers, just so you know, we look for the stink on them when you work at IRS. When you see so many cases and so many financial statements, you're thinking, oh my God, who's trying to fool me and who's trying to lie to me? So remember, IRS is looking at your past 6 years adjusted gross income, maybe assets you had, assets that you disposed of. They're certainly going to check if you're a beneficiary of some policy, or your parents are close to dying. They're going to look at that stuff too. But they're certainly going to look at your age, and they're certainly going to look at your education to help make a decision on the whole offer and compromise. So IRS does a lot of due diligence on these. It's just not, well, gee, this one looks good, let's accept it, and not. There's a bunch of checklists that the average person does not know. If you need me to do your offer and compromise, we're the best. Anyway, call me if you need me. We work larger cases, just so you know. Give me a subscription if you would. That helps me. I try to get information that kind of puts me up the ranks with YouTube. Give me a like, or you may share if you know someone who needs to settle their debt. Thank you so very much. I appreciate your ear today.